Want to stop boring your professor with dull slide? Tired of staring at a blank slide thinking what to do next? Stick around because in the next few minutes, I'm going to turn you from a newbie to PowerPoint Pro. Just started university and have no clue how to make a PowerPoint slide? Let me save you from dead by side. Step 1. Maintain the proper color palette. Don't just add black, white, or red color to a slide. Instead of that, try to understand what the theme color of your presentation topic. Let's say you have a presentation on the role of agriculture in Bangladesh GDP. In that case, you can add green or golden color to a slide. If you don't satisfied by this, you can choose any color palette. You can find various color palette from Google. Step 2. Set the appropriate font size. Yes, size does matter. If your message don't readable, then they have no meaning, right? For your subtitle text, divided by 1.6 to title text, and for your body text, divided by 1.6 to your subtitle text. Use on topic per slide. Don't get a text on your slide. Keep it simple, it will look delicious. Step 3. Add visual to a slide. Making slide back to text? Yeah, we all have been there, but it clean your presentation. Adding visual instantly makes your message more clear, faster, and memorable. Use icon to highlight key ideas, photos to create an emotional connection, and charts to data pop up. Keep your slide simple, consistent, and high quality. And that's it. You're ready to act those custom presentation.